Hey everyone, you would have seen our Tuesday tip on changing the water trap on your multi-parameter. Just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is. You'll see on our multi-parameter here we've got a lock that we just need to lift up and then the water trap will pop out. So this is what we recommend changing every month. Alternatively, in the middle of the month you can also wipe out any condensation or water there. And then you just need to align the dots and click it back into place. If your water trap isn't plugged in correctly or it's not attached at all, you will often get a visual display that it isn't attached, so no CO2 water trap, and all you need to do is just plug it in correctly.